Enterprise zones have been created by the Welsh Government to ensure that the public sector comes together and makes an offer for private sector businesses, so bringing together all the strength of the public sector on things like roads, things like rail links, training, help with businesses, business advice, financial breaks and so on, to attract smaller and medium-sized enterprises, but also some larger enterprises into an area to get the economy going, and of course to safeguard existing jobs as well. The economy of Pembrokeshire traditionally, of course, has been very agriculture-based, still is. It's strong on dairy, it's strong on potato farming. It's also, of course, very strong with tourism. But it's been moving. In the Haven Waterway Enterprise Zone area, we're very heavily reliant on some of the new energy industries that were brought in the last 20 to 30 years. Some very important traditional industries now in terms of Merco and in terms of Valero, the oil industries here. We've got SEM Logistics, one of the most important UK storage companies, and more recently, of course, we've had some liquid natural gas input from companies like Southhook and Dragon. But we're now moving into perhaps some of the renewable industries, looking to solar, looking to wind, looking to biofuels, and particularly looking to marine engineering.
One of the big attractions is the port, deep water harbour, quite a few quayside facilities. So any company that's looking or needs a facility to either import or export or do a combination of both, it's an ideal area to do that. And again, it can be very cost effective in the area. Good links internationally for global trading. We also have good grid connections. So any companies that either need high electricity demands or want to export electricity, the connections exist.
Superfast broadband is going to be delivered into the Enterprise Zone early on in 2014. We have very good links at the moment. The M4 is not far away. We have our own airport, which is actually within the zone with Bush Airport. We're pressing further for improvements to road and rail to make sure that we connect up with the highway, of course, that this is across to Ireland. We offer a range of help for businesses that are coming into the zone. Certainly on the training front, first of all, we have a very good relationship with Pembrokeshire College. Financial assistance is being provided by the Welsh Government to make sure that we've got the training needs of businesses existing and new businesses coming in met. We make sure that financial packages are available, both in terms of loans through Finance Wales, making packages available of help there, but also business rate relief, which is available to small and medium-sized businesses in the zone if they're in the energy business. The quality of life, when you speak to people in Pembrokeshire, they say they wouldn't want to live anywhere else, and why would you? We've got fantastic hospitals, fantastic schools, we've got the most breathtaking scenery imaginable with great beaches, a great coastline, and ready access to the cities of South Wales, to Swansea, which is a lovely city, and to Cardiff, our capital city. So it really has everything, and people who live here, I think, would testify to that and not want to live anywhere else at all.